Good morning, students. Today we are going to see about decision making systems. In this, we are going to see introduction and definition, decision making and problem solving, decision making disciplines, systems, structure of a system, closed and open systems, system effectiveness and efficiency, information systems, models, phases of the decision making process, how decisions are supported, personality types, gender, human cognition and decision styles, and the decision makers. First, we are going to see the definition of decision making. So, decision which is made up of a group. So, group members they may have biases. Empowering a group which leads to better decisions, and in the group the individuals they may also have the responsible to make a decision. So the group there may be hundreds or even thousands of alternatives to consider. The results of making a business decision usually materialize in the future. No one is a perfect predictor of the future, especially in the long run, and always the decisions are interrelated. A specific decision may affect many individuals and groups within the organizational system. Decision making involves a process of thinking about the problem, leading to the need for data and modeling of the problem. This leads to interpretation and application of the knowledge. And whereas in decision making, the feedback is an important aspect of decision making. Decision making is a process of choosing among alternative courses of action for the purpose of attaining a goal or goals. So, what should be done, when should be done, where should be done, why should be done, how should be done, and by whom it should be done. Whereas the managers set goals or plan, hence, planning implies decision making. Other managerial functions, such as organizing and controlling, which also involves decision making, and problem solving. Here, the terms decision making and problem solving can be confusing. One way to distinguish between the two is to examine the phases of the decision process. These phases are intelligence, design, choice, and implementation. Some consider the entire process, that is, the intelligence to implementation, as problem solving, with the choice base as the real decision making. Others view phases 1 to 3 as formal decision making, ending with a recommendation, whereas problem solving additionally includes the actual implementation of the recommendation. The decision making disciplines. This includes the behavioral disciplines, anthropology, law, philosophy, political science, psychology, social psychology, and sociology, and the scientific disciplines which includes computer science, decision analysis, economics, engineering, hard sciences, that is biology, chemistry, physics, etc., management science or operations research, mathematics, and statistics. System. System is a collection of objects such as people, resources, concepts, and procedures intended to perform an identifiable function or to serve a goal. For example, university is a system of students, faculty, administrators, buildings, equipments, ideas, and rules with the goal of educating students, producing research, and providing service to the community. So, a clear definition of the system's goal is a critical consideration in the design of a management support system. For example, the purpose of an air defense system is to protect ground targets and not just to destroy attacking aircraft or missiles. So, this is a architecture of a system and environment. So, this consists of the environment, which consists of the government, competitors, banks, stakeholders, weather conditions, and customers. Whereas in the system we have input, processes, and output. In the input, which is given as a raw material, which may be the cost and resources. And the processes, the procedures, programs, tools, activities, and decisions. The outputs, there is a performance, consequences, finished products, and services delivered. The system is divided into three distinct parts: inputs, processes, and outputs. And the feedback is also an important component in a structure. Okay, students, we will see the rest in the next class.